Hi, good everybody. I'm gonna today show you how to do Trupowur enrollment. Okay, so please pay attention to that. Okay, first thing that I'm going to show you is that here you're gonna put trupowur.com number 718. Okay, this is the web address right here. Okay, then once you do that here, you bring to the screen, and then you should always have promo code applied 718. So we're going to do Texas first, and then we're going to do our side of Texas. So let's do Texas first, residential customer. Okay, you can do residential and small business both, but let's just pay attention to residential right now. And we're going to go ahead and click on Get Raised. Now, when you do Get Raised, you have to make sure that you only go ahead and tell the customers about those companies who are paying us commission. So if you look on the commission sheet I sent you, there are a few companies on there. Constellation is there, but this is right here, Just Energy, they're not there. So for example, if Just Energy was lower rate than Constellation, you would not promote Just Energy because we don't have any rates from them, only Constellation, okay? So this is the first thing that you gotta pay attention to. So now here, it says over here, energy type, electricity, on-code delivery, okay, and then zip code, and then who the delivery company is, okay, and we're going to go ahead and put, what you want to call here, use this one here, sign up, alright, now here it says authorized user, optional, so in other words, besides me, if it was my wife, I'll put her name, okay, alright, and then I put my name as the customer, last name. So anyway, this will walk you through, okay, I'm just going to go ahead and show you the address and everything, okay, alright, oops, sorry. So this is the customer's address you're going to put in. Now here, after you do this here, if it's an apartment number, you put the apartment number, okay? Otherwise, city, text, state. Here you have phone number. Now the cell phone number is very, very important, okay? Now, after you put the cell phone number, ask the customer, do they have a home phone? If they say no, go ahead and put in the cell phone number again here, no problem. Now here, you have two choices. You can put in email address, the customer, ask the customer, are you near a computer? And if they say yes, then tell them, are you going to be able to go ahead and verify the third-party verification through your email, or would you rather get a text? If they say email, fine, email. And if they say no email, I want text. So you will put in no email at trupowur.com. So this way they get the text message. And here you're going to select that you already have electricity, and I'm just moving from one company to the other, and we're going to say how soon you want it. I say immediately. Whoops, sorry, 1 second. If you choose this over here, it's going to ask you dwelling type. I'm going to put down house here, okay? So as you can see, it says here that you already have electric services at this location with another provider, and you would like to go ahead and use Constellation, okay? And then it says, please note a self-selected date must be a business day and a switch fee will apply, okay? Alright, then you're going to go next over here. Now here, you're going to see the information for the customer right here, okay? And you're going to ask for the social security number and the date of birth. This is for Texas, okay? After you do this over here, it's going to take you to the done page, and then you click on done. The customer gets the verification on their text message on the phone. Go ahead and ask the customer to please click on it. They click on it, boom, and they say it's done. Ask them, is it done? They say, yeah. Well, thank you for your business. You will be switching from whatever electric company to Constellation. We appreciate your business. And one more thing, Mr. Customer, you will get a thank you call from our company, and they will go ahead and call you shortly, okay? So we appreciate your business. Thank you again, and God bless you. And then one more thing that I forgot to mention, on the plan, make sure before you, when you explain to them your energy charge is 9.2 cents, explain to them, you see right here, details, click on the details and tell them your energy rate is 9.2, your term is 12 months, and your cancellation fee is $50, okay? And then it will also, this is a disclosure. You have to make sure that you go ahead and disclose all this information to the customer. Now let's go ahead and take care of what you might call here, outside of Texas customer, okay? So let me go ahead and go back here and let's put in 60601. This is for Chicago, all right? And this is the company that comes in, ComEd, okay? Click on get rates, okay? Now here it says here estimated, because the system took this rate, okay? So let's say the customer is paying, make sure you enter the rate, that current rate the customer is paying. So how much are you paying, sir? Oh, I'm paying about 11.5 cents. So do the 11.5 cents and click on record. When you click on it, this is the saving that they will have every month, okay? If they already are paying like this kind of rate, don't waste your time, move on to the next customer, okay? But if they're paying higher, put it here, show them this is the saving, would you like to continue? So let's say if they say, yeah, I'm paying 6.5 cents, for example, okay? If they're paying 6.5 cents, and here you got 7.79 cents, tell them, sir, stay with that company, I think they're doing you good, have a nice day. Alright, but if they're paying like 9.5 cents, then you have a savings, okay, right here, $29 a month, okay? Alright, so this is how it works. Energy type, electricity, comment, you can choose electricity, you can also choose natural gas. Well, so right here is the natural gas, okay, I'm in Illinois. So let's go to electricity right now, and the zip code is this, available plan, let's see here, they have, coming up, 1 second. So right here, you can tell them, sir, so remember I told you that go with a company that already are paying us commission. So Constellations here, you also have direct energy. Don't sign with direct energy, sign up with the Constellation. Click on sign up. And then here it's going to say account number. What account number do you have? So this is the account number. This is my address, blah, 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 whatever. A phone number. Remember, no email at Trupowur if they want to get a text message. And it says just select a switch. Just say here switching service. Go to the next. Okay. Okay, it's asking me for the account number. I don't know what my account number is, but anyways, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0. Okay. So again, it's going to ask you for the information, and right here is, you see right here is your steps. Select plan, enter info, verify, these are the information, and then when you click next, it's going to say done, and you submit, boom, done. Alright, the customer gets the text message for the TPV. You go ahead and ask the customer to select OK and let them do it. Now remember three things that we need, okay? First of all, we need the screenshot of when you get to this done page, you should have some sort of account number or something. So we need the screenshot for that. Number two, we're gonna need the recording. The recording for when you are making the sale, I need the recording of everyone that you're making the sale. Number three, you're going to need a sales order form, and I need it to be detailed. Let me show you the sales order form. Okay, 1 second. Okay, this is the sales order form. So here, you're going to fill in the date that you sold, customer's name, address, their phone number, their email address. Okay? Account number if they have an account number. Name key if they have a name key. Order number if they have an order number. Salesperson. Here you're going to put your center's name. Okay? Whatever your center's name is. Then here you're going to say the installation date. Verified by, this is for us. And due date means like what, how fast do they need to have this done by, okay? Here you're going to put in here the plan. You're going to say 1, okay? Then you're going to say which plan was it. So let's go back to the plan. All right. There is no code over here. Some companies have a code, some companies don't have a code. Okay, here we're going to say term, okay? So here we're going to say term. So we're going to put in here 12 months, 24 months, or whatever. Description, you're going to say electricity. You're going to say unit price was 7.9 cents per kilowatt hour. There is no discount. And then here the total is going to come in, which is, you don't need the total over here either. So leave this blank, okay? Alright, so this actually is a sales sheet for some other thing, but don't worry about it, just fill this out. But this is the most important information I need. If there is any credit card involved in any of the things, take that here. That if they want to have a paperless bill or they want to prepay, they can go ahead and after the enrollment, they can go ahead and give them the number for Constellation, and they can call and they can arrange directly with them. In Texas, we have a social security number. You write it down here, and then you also need a date of birth. In some states, it says date of birth. I need that as well. Okay, and this is the form that I need over here. And then here, if you can see here, it says here, note, only Texas customer need to input social security number. That's it. All right. So we need recording, we need screenshot, and we need this form over here. Now, one more thing that I want to go back over here is this. If your agent goes ahead and people say, I don't have an email, and they go ahead and create the email, and they go ahead and click on behalf of the customer, and I see that you have done some sort of a mistake, not a mistake, but a fraudulent enrollment, I'm going to go ahead and issue you a stern warning one time. After that warning, if again the same step is repeated, we're going to fire you. So I just want you to make sure you understand my language very clearly, that you have to have the customer click on the email address. They have to also click on the text message, not you, them. Okay, if the customer says, I'm too old and I don't have any cell phone, which is a smartphone, tell them, sir, what about your son? What about your daughter? They must have a cell phone. Let them go ahead and help you with that. Unfortunately, I cannot do it. So don't try to be greedy and take shortcuts by going ahead and try to go ahead and do these steps yourself, thinking that we would not know. We know everything. We can see everything. Okay, so please make sure you put attention to that. Other than that, it's nothing, no rocket science. It's very simple to do. I hope you guys have understood this over here. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and email to me and I'll go ahead and answer them to you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.